How to optimize Etsy listing. In order to optimize your Etsy listing involves a combination of search engine optimization and compelling visuals as well as detailed descriptions and excellent customer service. Now, what you need is actually you just want to open up your Etsy application onto your device and go to account manager from the top right and go to add listings. So as you click on the add listing button, then you could go ahead and simply start adding pictures and then adding in a description. Also make sure that you have a high quality pictures, and you have to think like a shopper. That means what word would you use to find your items, right? So use specific multi-word phrase, long tail keyword like personalized sterling, silver nick instead of broad terms like jewelry. You could also place your most important keyword at the beginning of your title, as these are given more weight by the algorithm and are more likely to appear in the Google search as well. And each tag is an opportunity to be found. That means use all the 13 tags with relevant, specific, and varied key phrases that can help. So likewise, you could go and explore other options as well, and that's how you should be able to optimize Etsy listing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.